In the quiet corners of the world, where the skies stretch endlessly, there lives a creature that embodies freedom, peace, and beauty: birds. These majestic beings, with their delicate wings and vibrant feathers, are not just creatures of the air. They are messengers of tranquility, connecting the earth to the heavens in a way that only they can. Imagine, for a moment, a bird perched on a branch, the sun's warm rays catching its feathers as the day begins. The early morning breeze whispers softly through the trees, rustling the leaves in a rhythm that mimics the calm beat of the bird's wings. The bird lifts its head, feeling the pulse of the world, before taking flight, gracefully soaring into the boundless sky. With each beat of its wings, it seems to dance with the wind, embracing the freedom that comes with each gust of air. There is something truly remarkable about the simplicity of a bird's life. For them, the world is not confined by the borders humans so often create. Their existence is fluid, moving with the flow of nature, and affected by the chaos that surrounds us. Birds live in the present, experiencing life moment by moment, flying, singing, feeding, and resting. Their songs are not just a series of notes but a symphony of nature, a chorus that speaks to the soul, reminding us of the beauty in simplicity. When we watch a bird fly, we see more than just movement. We see freedom in its purest form. We see a creature unburdened by the weight of the world, existing in perfect harmony with nature. The way they glide effortlessly through the air, without a care, speaks to something deep inside us. It's a reminder that we, too, can rise above our struggles and find peace. But it is not just their flight that captivates us. It is their connection to the earth beneath them. Birds are nurturers of nature, playing a vital role in the delicate balance of our ecosystems. From the tiny hummingbird sipping nectar to the majestic eagle soaring over mountains, every bird has a place in the intricate web of life. They are as much a part of the earth as the trees, the rivers, and the wind. And yet, despite their importance, birds are often taken for granted. We admire them in fleeting moments, but how often do we pause to truly appreciate their beauty? Their elegance is not just in their flight but in the way they live gracefully, thoughtfully, and always in tune with the world around them. In their peaceful existence, birds remind us of what it means to be connected to something greater than ourselves. They invite us to slow down, to observe the world with a sense of wonder, and to appreciate the simple joys of life. In the dance of their wings, the melody of their songs, and the harmony they create in nature, we find a reflection of the peace and beauty that exists in all of us. as we journey through our busy lives, let us take a moment to look up. To watch a bird in flight, to listen to its song, and to remember that, like them, we too are part of something vast, something beautiful, something that is far greater than our individual struggles. The peaceful life of a bird is a reminder that there is beauty in simplicity and power in stillness. Let us, like the birds, learn to soar above our worries and find peace in the quiet moments, knowing that, in the grand scheme of things, we are all connected to the rhythm of the earth, as gentle and steady as the beat of a bird's wings.